you can actually use your computer or smart TV and then signing in on your YouTube TV account. And after you signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by going to your profile picture at the top right of your screen. And then you want to click on settings. On the settings on the membership at the base plan right here, if you have this manage option instead add option, then it means that your subscription to YouTube TV is still ongoing. And then you can go back to your YouTube TV homepage by clicking on this TV icon at the top left of your screen. And then you want to click on the search icon at the top right of your screen. And then you want to search for Ion. And then on the Ion with this network sign, you want to click on it. And there you go. Right now you can watch Ion using your smart TV. Or if you want to watch any upcoming live session of Ion and then you want to record it to watch it later on your YouTube TV library, you can just hover over any specific upcoming live session. So for example, I'm going to choose on this NCIS Los Angeles. Just click on these three dots and then click on Add NCIS. This way, you don't have to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded it for you even when you don't watch it on live. So to check on what you just recorded, you can go to your library right here at the top of your screen. And there you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Ion on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.